Hello, and I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm one of the admins of the Secondary ELA Facebook group. And because we've had so many new members, I just wanted to share a quick tip. When you're in a Facebook group, click on the discussion tab so that you're taken to the main part of the group. And then over here, it's search this group. So if I was looking for seventh grade novels, I could type in seventh grade and then I could see what would come up for seventh grade. And then it goes far back, so you can take a peek to see not even the most recent posts, so that we're not asking the same questions over and over again. If you're looking for short stories, you could just type in short stories. And if it's something that you want to read, you can just click on it and then you can hit save the post if you want to save it for later, to read it later. And then here's more short stories. So please always try to search the group before you ask a question, because it's probably been answered, as this group has been active for a very long time. All right, thanks and have a great day.